Probably the spookiest place I've been to yet. This is amazing. If you like, I can't even talk because I just got back from being inside. Come along with me. If you like abandoned places, you will love this place. An old abandoned brothel. Oh, there's a basement. Oh, wow. There's a freaking basement. Oh, my gosh. Wow. If there's anything that we missed.
Am I dead?
Looks like it just stops over here. Imagine music playing, people dancing. Corpses about ready to fall over.
It smells old. Wow. What's that little mechanism?
Just like how I seen it years and years ago.
Let's go really quick.
Gotta get to light.
Ooh. It's really dark in here. Did somebody look like they were trying to rebuild it?
Now you want to see something really creepy?
Yeah.
Take the light out of my backpack.
What?
It's moving because of the air, but it was
I feel a
It was
breeze.
different. Yeah, it's...
Wood stove. Okay, there was a wood stove.
Must be a open window. Camera to look in there, wide angle.
Oh, this is
So
huge.
this used to be an old
Oh
brothel.
my god, this is awesome.
See how it had big high ceilings, a ceiling fan, and this was like the common area, like a dance floor and stuff. They had music here.
How in the heck did they live here?
So it's like a public place.
Yeah.
They got it set up.
This would be cool to open up as a bar.
And they had the rooms up around up there. So kind of like the old saloon style. Let's see if we can brighten this up a little bit more. 100%. Okay, so hold on 1 second. Pull it in. Look.
See, there's a door there.
Leave here.
Leave here.
Leave here?
Leave here.
Couches. Nice.
I'm not going to stay. I just want to look at your place before it gets lost in time.
I've been
So you
wanting
never
to go
get
in this
forgotten.
place for so long. Big old fireplace. Oh, there's a basement. Oh, wow. There's a freaking basement. Oh my gosh. Wow. Don't know if I want to go down there or not. This house gives... Okay, so a lot of places I go, stuff, I definitely feel things. This one gives me quite a vibe. There's no doubt about it. Maybe because of the way it looks. But I gotta watch these stairs. They don't look the best, that's for sure. Looks like somebody might have been living down here. These stairs are bad. Oh my gosh. Huge room down here. I had no idea this had a basement. Oh, and look, you can actually come in through right there if you really wanted to. Wow, this is huge. So it's kind of like a crawl space that's kind of tall enough to be a basement. All kinds of garbage. Down here, kind of a cellar basement. Not doing the best camera work. Sorry about that. Because I gotta admit, this place is a little freaky. A little bit. So cool though. I love this stuff. That was an old fireplace maybe, right there. All goes down into the basement. Okay, that's... Oh, it scared me. I think that's a motorcycle outside. Alright, let's go upstairs. Toys. Look at this place. Wow. Just heard a car go by. Don't want to get too close to this window. They had a view of the water. I don't know what this was. Little box. And a little storage place. There's a little handle on it. Hopefully there's no bodies. I don't know. Maybe they stored firewood for maybe fireplace that was up here. I don't know. This goes out into the balcony that goes around. This is a cool place. I just hope this floor doesn't give way. Let me go through the rest of this up here first. They had some kind of heat ventilation system at one time. There's no door over here. God, there's a car out there. Shoot. Okay, so there's no door over here. There's a closet and a bathroom. Damn, there's a car out there. I think they're just going down to the lake. I hope this doesn't give way. Wow. This place is so amazing. Oh, another set of stairs. That's good, because I want to get out of here. Another bedroom. Yeah, just imagine what went on in these bedrooms, huh? Probably don't want to know. Looks Looks like people sign their names. That's kind of cool, rather than writing on the walls. That's actually pretty cool. Hey, kudos to anybody that's explored this place already. Instead of tagging all the walls and stuff, they wrote on these boards. Just another bathroom over here. Glass on the floor. And this floor is not very good. Well, the only thing is there's not a lot of paraphernalia in this place where you could, you know, newspaper or something, or a little storage closet above the stairs where you could read a little bit that might give a little more clue to the skateboard that's broken. A little more clue to what this place is about, you know. Anyway, this is worth. I'm going to take a picture of this. Okay. Got to take a pretty good look over here. Let's come over on this side for a minute to see if there's anything that we missed. Looks like it just stops over here. Imagine music playing, people dancing. Just having a good old time. It's weird. It's like they had a door there. Oh, and they put the plumbing through there and then they covered it up because there's a bathroom on the other side. Alright, well, I really hope you enjoy this video. This is what we love to do. And if you'd like to see more really cool stuff like this, I got a lot of places lined up. A lot more videos coming. Sometimes I throw in kind of a different kind of video once in a while. Maybe just ignore those if they're not your cup of tea. But I won't give you too many notifications. But there will be a lot more coming. Please help us out. Subscribe and like. We're a growing channel. And we're actually starting to pick up steam quite a bit. So we want to bring you some really great content. I don't see anybody. There's a car there. More cars coming. So I need to get going. If I don't fall down the stairs. I don't want this video to end with me going to the hospital. That was a creepy basement down there. Very creepy. Wow, what a creepy basement. Oh man. Look at this place. The old fireplace. Looked like there was a room over here that's boarded up. Huh. I wonder what's in there. I think it was a little porch. Yeah, they got it screwed down. What a cool place. One of the cooler places I've been. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope you're enjoying this walk along with me. Max Productions. The URL on YouTube is youtube.com/C, like in channel, / and then Max Productions TV. Got our own URL now. Thanks to all your support. Thank you for subscribing. Until next time, thank you so much for coming along. There's the other stairs. I didn't even see those when I came in. There's the front door. Shut the front door. This place is spooky. That was me. We're going to have to come back here at night. And do, this was probably the living room, I guess. Don't remember coming in here. There was a furnace. Yeah, we have to come back in here and do some ghost equipment. Oh, I didn't even come in here, did I? There's a little entryway. A little glass door. That was probably the main front door. And then there's a side door that was over by the kitchen. And you can see all the doors are boarded up, locked, everything except this one back door. Just wide open. So anyway, if you do know where this place is, please don't do any damage. We like to take pictures and leave nothing behind, like they say, you know, like footprints, that's all. Anyway. No?
Yeah, we need to go. I'm just trying something from this phone day.
Okay. Did you get a good idea?
Yeah. So did you go upstairs?
I did. I went all over this place.
Wow, how many rooms were there? 1, 2.
It's like 5.
Is there a door missing up there? So 1, 2. Closet.
Another closet again.
Now what's up in here?
There's somebody. Let's get out of here.
There's a body in the car. Yeah, here.
Over here.
Turn the light off.